Alright guys, so as you can see, I've got the stuff ready. Alright guys, let me welcome you. As you can see, I'm making a very nice aroma dish. Oil, the gas is on. Alright, so let's make it hot, and then we can add the zucchini and sprinkle it with dried basil. Alright, here I've got the cream and the shrimps obviously, and here's the water for the pasta. So getting it ready, getting it done. Oh yeah, the frying pan is there. So let's put the zucchini onto the frying pan. And in the frying pan, the zucchini will be sprinkled with some basil. So it will be basil cream sauce. It's really tasty. If you've never tasted that, it's really cool. And here in the meantime, I will need to add some pasta. So getting everything done at once. So this is really fast to do if you guys don't have much time and you want really tasty lunch. So this is it. So let me grab the fettuccine and put the 3 portions for me and my children in. There we are. So the pasta is there. Now we have the zucchini here, which needs to be sprinkled with some dried basil. It works best. It gives the aroma in full, even better than the fresh basil. Fresh basil can be used to decorate the meal. Alright, now I need to stir it nicely. Make it golden brown, and it will be ready to add the shrimps in there. This will be shrimps together with some zucchini and obviously some basil, dried up basil. If you add it in copious amounts, it smells real nice and it works real fine. The sauce is gonna be made from cream, so what I have here is this 18% cream, and as you can see, these will be the shrimps I'm gonna add to it, then the cream. So this is the shrimps which we're gonna add to the meal, and here it is. The zucchini is golden brown, so the shrimps are there, and obviously stir it a bit. I'm gonna get the cream ready. So since if the cream is cold, you can add a bit of hot water to make it, well, more adjusted to the temperature on the frying pan, and that's what I'm gonna do here during the cooking process. I will add a bit of hot water and then mix it well with this hot water. This will be a nice, very tasty sauce. Well, in fact, my kids, they did not like seafood before, but when I started making the sauce on pasta, well, they started loving it, and now it's their favorite dish. And they always keep on asking me, when is the shrimps with zucchini gonna be? So, as you can see, the cream is nice and thick, and it's not as cold anymore. And now I'm gonna add it to the pan. I hope you guys are still with me. I'm adding the whole bit, so the sauce is gonna be nice and thick. Now, obviously we need to stir it. And soon it will be ready to be served. So the oil, olive oil together with the basil and the cream make it really, really tasty all around this tagliatelle pasta. Obviously you have to remember, this is not like carbonara, it's something different. So you may put the pasta in there, or if you want to make it look better, well, you can do it separately. But obviously if you add it to the frying pan, it takes up all the flavor, all the sauce, which well, is for the better of it. Okay, so let it fry for a minute or two and it will be ready. The sauce is really nice. Let me taste it. Alright, so putting the pasta on the plate. Nice portion. And also for my children, just to the meal. Obviously the sauce is a very important ingredient, so this is what I'm doing, in fact, sprinkling it with the sauce. So it's the same basically stuff if you would put it in the frying pan. This is what I'm doing now. Oh, that looks nice. So take a look. I'm gonna call the kid and see the reaction. So, alright guys, so the chef is ready to serve and the kids are coming, so let's see the reaction. Okay, the kid is here. Proszę bardzo. Cieszysz się? O, super. Dobra, to zajadaj. Smacznego, bon appétit.